Evening glow on window glass. Time returns, the moments pass. Old cafe hums a mellow tune. Two hearts meet beneath the moon. Your footsteps sound through golden light. The years dissolve in velvet night. The trumpet sighs, the record spins, and something old begins again. The saxophone hums soft and deep, echoes waking from their sleep. Evening reunions, tender reunions, tender and true, lost time fades when I see you. Every tear, each silent plea finds its rest in harmony. Your laughter glows through candles' flame. Love returns without a name. The organ hums, the rhythm slow. The years have taught what hearts now know. Every breath a sweet reprise, reflected in your gentle eyes. In this light of golden hue, the past feels new with you. Evening reunion, hearts align, notes of grace through mellow wine. Every chord we used to play still belongs to us today. Evening fades, but love will stay. Streetlights shimmer through the rain. Silver songs of sweet refrain. Footsteps fade on old cafe stone. The night is ours, yet we're alone. A gentle hum from distant bars. Reflections dance beneath the stars. Your shadow lingers in the mist, a ghost of love that still exists. Trumpet sighs a velvet tear with whispers echo, you are near. Street lights after midnight glow. Through the silence feelings flow. Every drop upon the lane calls your name. The jukebox plays a slow embrace, a tune that time cannot erase. The bass line hums, the candles fade, our love's refrain so gently played. Every song becomes the same, every note still wears your name. Though the night drifts far away, your memory decides to stay. Street lights after midnight shine, guiding hearts once intertwined. In this glow of soft delight, I still love you through the night.
Street lights fade, street lights fade.
Paper rustles in the breeze, words of you come back to me. Ink still shines through time so thin, your voice returns within the wind. The lamp glows low on dusty keys. Oh, let us hum their melodies. Your name still sings on every line, a memory that won't resign. Saxophone breathes deep and slow, carrying words from long ago. Letters in the wind tonight, drifting soft in silver light. Every tear, the pages anew, floats back home to me and you. The record plays, the curtains sway, the years just quietly fade away. I read your voice between each line. The past still feels like you were mine. Through the window, shadows spin, whispers call the night within. Love once lost now finds its way. In letters time can't fade away. feathers fly, and so do I. Raindrops tapping on the glass. Time slows down as moments pass. Through the window, faint and true, every sound reminds me of you. The night begins its gentle song, where quiet hearts have waited long. The record spins, the candle gleams, and love drifts softly through my dreams. Trumpet sighs in velvet air. You're the light still standing there. Whisper through the rain tonight. Every tear reflects your light. Hold me close, don't fade away. In your arms, the storm will stay. The radio hums in silver tone, each chord a place we called our own. Your laughter echoes down the hall, a memory that warms it all. The thunder fades to gentle grace. Raindrops kiss the window's face. In the glow of love's refrain, I still hear you through the rain. Whisper through the rain once more. Love remains just like before. Even if the night must end, you'll come back with clouds again. Whispered rain, love remains. Curtains glowing amber light. Time stands still this quiet night. The record hums a fading tune, the stars grow tired, the dawn comes soon. Your hand in mine, the shadows sway. The world outside drifts far away. Our hearts keep time to gentle sound, a rhythm lost yet newly found. The saxophone begins to cry, a tender hush, a soft goodbye. This last dance before the dawn, where every fear is nearly gone. Hold me close, don't let it fade. Love's the song that night has made. The candles melt, the air is thin, but warmth still burns beneath our skin. The organ sighs, the record spins, and time forgives where love begins. Whispered prayer, every breath still finds you there. In the hush where dreams belong, we keep dancing to our song. This last dance is before the day. Take my heart, don't drift away. When the sunrise paints the sky, you'll still be the reason why. The last dance, hand in the dawn. Candlelight upon your face, time slows down, the world's embrace. Every flicker, every hue, draws me gently close to you. The night unfolds with tender grace. Your shadow dances in the space. The record hums a sweet refrain, and I find you there again. Saxophone and smoky glow tells me things I used to know. Candlelight promises enough, softly whispered through the rain. love's not lost, it only hides in these gentle, endless tides. Velvet curtains, shades of blue. Every dream still leads to you. The organ hums, the trumpet weeps. Love awakens where it sleeps. Shadows drift and hearts alive. In this glow, your hand in mine. Every flame of vow we keep. In the silence, love runs deep. Candlelight promises tonight. Guide us softly through the night. When the dawn begins to show, our hearts still softly glow. Forever slow. Smoke curls slow in amber hair. Your scent still lingers everywhere. The jukebox hums a soft refrain. Oh, love songs call your name again. Each note drips like whispered wine. Memories caught between the lines. The night unfolds in a silver hue, and every sound reminds of you. The trumpet sighs, the bass is low. Our story plays in afterglow. Echoes through the smoke remain. Love like fire, soft but plain. Through the haze I see your face, lost in time and sweet embrace. Piano hums a gentle cry. The rhythm fades but won't say goodbye. Shadows waltz across the floor. The past still knocks upon the door. The sax replied in smoky tone. Our hearts replay what we've once known. Every chord a quiet plea, every rest eternity echoes through the smoke tonight. Guide me softly towards your light, even when the dawn will break. The song of love won't fade away. Smoke drifts slow, echoes stay. Morning light through silver haze, soft and slow the record plays. The storm has gone, the silence stays. Love still hums in quiet ways. Your coat still rests upon the chair. The scent of rain still fills the air. Coffee brews in amber glow, and memories rise soft and slow. Saxophone begins to sigh. The world awakes, the tears run dry. Morning after rain, we see what the night has left for me. Every drop that kissed the pain spoke your name and eased my pain. Window glass reflects your eyes. Gentle truth, no more disguise. Each note falls like gentle grace. I still feel your warm embrace. The thunder fades to peace again. Love remains beyond the rain. Every chord a quiet vow. Forever starts from here and now. Morning after rain, so true. Skies of gold remember you. In the calm I find my way. Love returns with light today. Morning shines, the rain has gone. spills on rosy sky. Shadows fade the night goodbye. Golden haze through window pane. Love awakens once again. The coffee steams, a record plays soft and slow, our quiet ways. Your eyes reflect the morning blue. Every ray belongs to you. The saxophone breeze, soft and low, melting where the heartbeats go. Sunrise over our hearts tonight, chasing darkness with its light. Every tear the night has cried turns to gold here by your side. The organ hums a sweet amen. Morning breaks in love again. The world is new, yet still the same. I whisper softly your dear name. Through the light our dreams remain. Hearts reborn beyond the rain. Every note the dawn can sing holds the hope the morning brings. Sunrise over our hearts again, washing away the night's old pain. In this glow of soft delight, our love lives in morning light. Sunrise shines, we begin anew.